Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0963, indicates a malfunction related to the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017, particularly those equipped with the J35Y1 engine type. This solenoid valve is essential for managing clutch pressure in the automatic transmission. The operation involves a spool mechanism pushed by the valve, which operates according to the duty cycle directed by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM plays a critical role as it continually monitors the current flowing through the solenoid valve. When the measured current falls outside the acceptable range, either due to a circuit short or an open circuit, the PCM detects a malfunction, stores the DTC, and may trigger the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL. Understanding this DTC is crucial for proper troubleshooting and maintenance procedures to ensure optimal transmission performance. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding DTC P0963 and ensuring the longevity of the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A. One crucial aspect is to perform regular transmission fluid changes, as outlined in the vehicle's maintenance schedule. Clean, fresh fluid promotes optimal performance and reduces wear on solenoids and other transmission components. Additionally, routine inspections should be conducted on the solenoid connections and electrical wiring to ensure they remain free of debris or damage. This proactive approach can help detect issues early, preventing them from escalating into more serious problems and supporting overall vehicle reliability. Establishing a consistent maintenance routine will yield long-term benefits and less likelihood of encountering similar diagnostic codes in the future. In summary, DTC P0963 poses significant implications for the operation of the automatic transmission in select Honda Accord models. Understanding its underlying causes, symptoms, and effective troubleshooting steps is essential for any technician or vehicle owner. Regularly monitoring the DTC and being vigilant about transmission performance can preemptively address potential issues. Additionally, following a strict preventive maintenance routine will help safeguard against the occurrence of similar trouble codes in the future. Through a thorough understanding of both the solenoid and the PCM operations, drivers can ensure the reliable performance of their vehicles, leading to overall improved driving experiences. The primary component affected by DTC P0963 is the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A. This solenoid plays a pivotal role in controlling the hydraulic pressure applied to the clutch, impacting the vehicle's shifting capabilities. It operates under the supervision of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which interprets the current demands of the solenoid based on driving conditions. The solenoid is typically located within the automatic transmission assembly, where it can directly influence clutch operation. If the solenoid fails or experiences an internal circuit failure, the PCM will be unable to maintain the correct clutch pressure, leading to poor transmission performance. The location and functionality of the solenoid are crucial factors to consider during diagnostics and repairs. The possible causes of DTC P0963 are varied, including an internal circuit short in the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A. Such a short can disrupt the solenoid's function and mislead the PCM about its operational status. Additionally, an open circuit in either the PCM GND1 line or the GND2 line can cause communication failures between the solenoid and the PCM, resulting in improper management of the clutch pressure. Furthermore, if there is a malfunction within the PCM itself, it could lead to erroneous readings and mismanagement of transmission functions. Understanding these potential causes lays the foundation for effective troubleshooting and helps in pinpointing the exact issue whenever DTC P0963 is triggered. The symptoms associated with DTC P0963 can significantly affect vehicle performance. First and foremost, the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, will illuminate, alerting the driver to a potential issue. Alongside this, the AT gear position indicator may blink, providing a visual cue that the automatic transmission is experiencing problems. Drivers may also notice poor shifting performance, as the solenoid's failure can lead to improper clutch engagement and disengagement. Vehicles may exhibit rough shifts or delayed responses when accelerating, adversely affecting driving experience. Recognizing these symptoms promptly can aid in addressing the underlying issues before they result in more significant mechanical failures. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0963 is to start the engine and allow it to idle for at least 1 second. This initial step sets the stage for diagnosing the condition of the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A and the associated circuitry. It is essential to ensure that the engine is running smoothly, as any pre-existing issues could lead to confusing diagnostic results. After starting the engine, it allows the PCM to engage its monitoring capabilities, assessing whether the solenoid operates within its normal parameters or if a malfunction is detected. This baseline observation is critical in understanding the nature of the current issue. If the vehicle does not start, additional diagnostic steps should investigate possible ignition or fuel delivery problems before continuing with this procedure. During the second step, it is crucial to connect a Honda Diagnostic System HDS scan tool to the vehicle's diagnostic port. This tool is instrumental in retrieving real-time data from the PCM and allows for a comprehensive analysis of any active and pending diagnostic trouble codes. Once properly connected, the technician should evaluate the readings and specifically look for active DTCs beyond P0963. This step is important because certain DTCs can potentially influence each other, guiding the technician toward the underlying root of the problem. Additionally, monitoring the live data from the solenoid can reveal whether it is responding as expected, which is critical in diagnosing the correct operation of the clutch system. Making notes of any additional DTCs can provide helpful information when narrowing down potential causes of the malfunction. The third troubleshooting step involves an in-depth inspection of the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A. This inspection should focus on identifying any visual signs of damage, such as broken or frayed wires, as well as any debris that may hinder its operation. Physical wear and tear can often contribute to poor functionality of electrical components within the transmission. A thorough cleaning of the area around the solenoid is recommended to remove any dirt or debris that might have settled, as this can interfere with the solenoid's performance. In addition to visual inspection, ensuring proper connections and fittings is crucial for maintaining electrical integrity and preventing future issues. If damage or obstructions are discovered, repairs or replacements can be initiated promptly, which may resolve the DTC without further diagnostic steps. In this step, the technician should specifically check the PCM ground lines, GND1 and GND2, to ensure that there are no open circuits causing communication failures. Since the PCM is responsible for interpreting data from the solenoid, proper grounding is critical for its functionality. Open circuits can lead to incorrect readings, causing the DTC P0963 to be stored in the memory. Utilizing a multimeter, the resistance and continuity of the ground lines should be measured to confirm they are operational. If either ground line shows signs of being open or exhibits high resistance readings, they should be repaired or replaced as necessary. Verifying the integrity of these connections is essential for restoring accurate communication between the solenoid and the PCM, which in turn enhances the vehicle's transmission performance. The final verification process involves clearing the DTC from the PCM memory using the HDS scan tool, and then conducting a test drive. This step is crucial for ensuring that all previous diagnostic trouble codes related to P0963 have been entirely removed. Once the DTC is cleared, the technician should perform a driving cycle to allow the PCM to monitor transmission performance and reevaluate the condition of the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A. During the test drive, the driver should pay close attention to the AT gear position indicator to confirm it no longer blinks and check for any signs of shifting issues. If the MIL remains off post-test drive and no new DTCs appear, then the repair can be deemed a success. Documenting the outcome is critical for future reference and maintaining thorough service records. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.